Like I said in the last assignment, this is another scene from the flooded valley. Now we learned a little bit more about Papa's family. Okay, it's a scene with his kids and his wife. So as you read, this time you're going to underline dialogue that helps you draw inferences. So you're going to underline things that people say that help you draw inferences about what they are thinking, what they do, how they are feeling. So for example, I can see here Dora says, "Ah, Mama." So maybe she's a little frustrated what her mom asked her to do. George is complaining Tommy doesn't have to go around with smelly oil all over his hands. So trying to not have to fill the lamp up with oil, because remember, this takes place almost 100 years ago. So they had to fill up the lamps with oil. Another example could be where Mama says, "What?" You can see it's in caps. She looks like she's feeling frustrated or surprised, maybe a little angry. So underline some more dialogue that tells us about the characters. I mean, most of the dialogue tells us something, but pick out a few that seem the most important. Then the question at the bottom is you're just going to pick one of the characters for this one and tell me what can you infer about how they are feeling. So they might not say, "I'm happy," or "I'm frustrated," or "I'm sad," but see if you can figure out from what they say, from how they act, figure out how they are feeling, and then tell me how you know that. What clues are there? What did you figure out from what you read? Okay? I'm more than happy to help with this because I know it's a hard play to understand just because there's a lot of background knowledge in what was going on at the time. So I'm more than happy to help you figure all that out, go through it together. Remember, you can also listen to it if you get stuck on any of the words, or if you just would rather listen to it than read it. You'll still come to the assignment, but you can use the link on Schoology to listen to it. Your code word today is in. In is the code word today. Good luck, or for this assignment. You know what I mean.